Okay, for the next problem, which is number 4, we need to get the volume. We need to get the volume for two spheres. The first one has a radius of 2 centimeters, and the second one has a radius of 6 centimeters. Okay, so the formula or equation is the same: 4 times pi times the radius raised to the power of 3 divided by 3, and we have exactly the same thing in the other side. 4 times pi times radius raised to the power of 3 divided by 3. Okay, if you see this, the problem is about how many times the small sphere can fit inside the big sphere. As you can see, the difference is 3. You can see that it's 3 times because the radius, this radius is 3 times bigger than this one. Okay, let's see how many times we can actually fit the small sphere into the bigger sphere. Okay, so let's work with this. 4 pi, and then the radius is 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 3. Okay, working with the calculator, I'm gonna just copy what I did, and I'm gonna change the value for the radius. In this case is 2. Okay, so I have the value 33.49. 33.49 cubic centimeters. Okay, and if I do the same for this one, I have the volume 4 times pi times the radius is 6, so it's 6 raised to the power of 3 divided by 3. So the volume for this one, I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to change the radius to get the new value, which is 904.32. In this case, we have cubic centimeters. Okay, please don't forget about the units. Now the big question is how many times the small one will fit into the big one. Okay, to do that we need to divide. We need to divide, and you will be amazed about the answer. Okay, so we need to divide those 904.32 by 33.49, and we have 27 times. 27 times. So we can see that it's a very significant difference.